Man, you made me look short. Hey, this your boy Cash back again with another Money Shot Monday. My first official shoot in Dallas, Texas, DFW area. I got my man Chaun here. Chaun, you want to go ahead and introduce yourself?
What's up? I'm Chaun. I reside in Dallas, and it's my first time shooting with Cash.
Yeah, man. So we got this great concept. We see where we at right now. Amazing location that Chaun picked out for us. You kind of see the outfit. We got a couple accessories that we're going to add to this just to kind of accentuate the look that we're going for. Here we go. So this leg, you can kind of like bring it in. So like kind of, yeah, like just like that. And look right at me. All right, so let's do a quick equipment rundown for this shoot. My Canon R6 as usual, the 24-70, my go-to, the workhorse, gives you all the focal lengths that you would pretty much need for portraits. GoPro 12, getting the behind the scenes. But this time, I actually had the media mod attached to the GoPro 12, where I was able to connect my Rode wireless mic setup. So I was able to get a lot of the instructions and feedback that I was giving Chaun during this shoot. And I think I'm gonna try to do that more often during the future, just use that setup. Yeah. I like those crazy. Yo.
They get you.
Yo, y'all see this? They out here get me, fam. They get me. That's dope. That's dope. So let's do one with you kind of just like having it kind of like more behind your back-ish. Yeah. And turn more this way. Like right there. Okay, so for the color grading of this shoot, as you can kind of see, I played in the browns and the oranges a lot, just for skin tone and also the suitcase and the chair that we had. I lightened up the greens to take some of the attention off of those, and I played out the flowers because of their yellows and reds and a little bit of orange as well that brought all the colors together. All right, so do me one favor and let's like kind of angle you a little more. Oh, you got one on you. Trying to,
Oh,
ooh, look at all that blood. Ooh, he was getting you. All right, so let's angle you just a little bit more. I want to get you, because that right arm is in the shadow a little bit. Right there, yeah, that's what we need. There we go.
take a little bit that way towards you.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. Let's change legs. So the leg that you got, yeah, let's do that one. Yep. That's dope. So, if you guys haven't noticed, the mosquitoes were aggressive. I don't know what's going on with these Texas, Dallas, Fort Worth area mosquitoes, but they are going bananas. Eating me up all day, biting the model. When I got home, mosquito bites everywhere, literally. And also, if you didn't notice, I'm shooting a male model. Crazy, right? Normally, I shoot female models, swimwear, but every now and then it's good to challenge yourself and get outside of your comfort zone. Yep. Dope. Crazy. Yep. Yep. That was great. So you can just hold it and we're gonna do a couple more shots. Crazy. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, I don't even want to keep shooting because that was good. those crazy. All right, and I'm shooting right now on F4, over 750 of a second, ISO 100. So I'm typically always around like the L4 area when I'm shooting like this. You can relax. Typically around the L4 area when I'm shooting like this because I want to kind of capture some of the landscape and the environment that we're in right now. We didn't come out here for nothing. So no reason to blur out all of the background. I'm dripping, we hot. And then just to kind of dial down the sun because it's kind of getting bright. We shoot more direct sunlight. That's why my shutter speed is so high and I always shoot on ISO 100.
Good morning dew.
I know. I was like, it's still a little wet.
There you go. Let it cool down.
All right, so let's change legs because the sun is kind of coming from, yeah, there we go. Sun's coming from this way, so we don't block any of those. Yeah. And then, all right, so instead of kind of like what he was doing, let's kind of like bring both legs up. Yeah, let's do one of those.
Here?
So let's kind of bring it more like up in here. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. So I know I've said this before, but don't be afraid to try different angles. As you see me, I just grabbed my chair that he was using earlier for a prop to give me a higher angle to shoot downward. I was trying to just see what the different perspectives look like, incorporate more of the field and the flowers. Whew, these bugs. I know, they probably seen all the stuff on me now, all the bug bites. All right, so as you can see, man, it's a hot day down here in DFW area. I'm sweating. Chaun, we thugged it out, man. It was hot, but we killed this shoot today. I really appreciate you coming. Thank you for like being my first model that I was able to kind of put my footsteps in the Dallas area with. I definitely think that we're gonna be working together again. I cannot wait to show you guys these pictures and these things that we just created because it's gonna be some dope stuff, man. So till next time, you can find my boy down here in the link. Visit him, support him. He's doing big things. He's definitely a superstar that y'all just don't know yet. Y'all don't know him yet, but he big time. All right, man.